Hello everyone, this is Karen from SIPLink Communications. In retail stores, creating the right atmosphere and ensuring the security are essential. With SIPLink PoE system, we offer a simple and scalable audio solution that handles everything from the marketing announcement to the real-time security alerts. We offer a cost-friendly setup with one IP selling speaker and 3 analog selling speakers, ideal for space up to 100 square meters, and all without the need for extra sellers. Simple to deploy and easy to use. And SIPLink selling speakers have internal data storage, so you can upload promotional audio like daily deals and schedule it to play at present time each week.
Attention all customers. Today's beef price is 50% off, plus an addition.
For chain retail stores, SIPLink selling speaker offers centralized broadcasting. Promotional messages can be scheduled, ensuring every store delivers consistent holiday sales and brand promotion messages.
Attention shoppers. Enjoy 20% OFF store line this weekend only.
In retail stores, creating a perfect atmosphere is key. With built-in Bluetooth, staff can easily connect their phones to our selling speaker and play music. No extra setup needed. You can even add motion sensor to trigger welcome messages when customers enter the store. For instance,
welcome, check out our new arrivals today. Feel free to look around.
Now we talk about the marketing, but what about the security? The SIPLink IP speakers are the perfect solution for retail store security. They can receive alarm signals from CCTV system and trigger pre-recorded voice alert. For example, when the camera detects unauthorized movement during the off hours, the speaker can automatically broadcast.
You are entering a video surveillance area. Please leave immediately. You are entering a video surveillance.
This helps to prevent potential criminal activity and reduce losses significantly. So whether you are managing a single shop or a chain store, SIPLink PoE system makes it easier to create a safer and smarter retail environment. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart audio solutions from SIPLink Communications. Goodbye.